LARGEV and I am Ruth from LARGEV, take care of overseas market. Today I will introduce our CBCT. Now what you can see is our standing CBCT. It is very slim and the design is very friendly. It only needs 5 square meters. You can make installation. Now what you can see from the bottom, no matter what kind of patient, wheelchair patient or pediatric and adult, they can move inside freely. And patient standing at this position, doctor standing at this position. So the face-to-face position will be very convenient for the doctors and technicians to make a scanning. At the same time, we have 8 to 9 laser lights. This will support the technician to make the scanning more accurate. And this is the part. On the same part, we have a unique design now all over China. On that we have this design. This is a mechanical control the device up and down. Okay, now let's move to the software part. You log in our software. This is the patient data management system, and this part you can see all the patient information. If you click the job list, this patient data management can help you to quickly position to the patient, and this part you can connect to the public hospital PACS system and KISS system, and at the same time it provides the edition of the patient information and all some small functions from the bottom. Thank you for all your attention. Now this is all the detailed information about LARGEV CBCT Smart 3D-X. Thank you.